Many communities have statues and monuments. Statues and monuments help us remember what happened in the past. What kinds of statues and monuments do you have in your community? Statues and monuments tell you about your community's history. History is the study of people, places, and events that took place in the past. Everyone's community has a history. Some communities' history started in ancient times. Ancient means a long time ago. Native Americans have built communities in North America since ancient times. Some communities have museums that show how Native Americans lived in the past. There were many Native American communities all over North America. They can be divided into 4 regions: the Eastern Woodlands, the Great Plains, the Southwest Desert, and the Northwest. Native Americans built their communities using the natural resources in their environment. Natural resources are things found in nature that people use, like soil, trees, animals, and water. The native people who lived in the eastern part of the country, called the Eastern Woodlands, made homes from trees. Their homes were called wigwams. Native Americans cooked, ate, and slept in the wigwam. Some Native Americans who lived in the Southwest deserts built their communities high up on the sides of cliffs to protect themselves from enemies. Others built their homes from adobe, a brick made from clay and grass. Their homes were called pueblos. The Native Americans who lived on the Great Plains lived in homes called teepees. Teepees were tents that could be packed up and taken with them as they followed the buffalo herds. Native Americans who lived in the Northwest used trees to build wooden houses with flat boards. They also painted their homes with special designs. Past Native American communities were very different from our communities today. That's because communities change. Communities can change when different people meet. That's what happened to the Native Americans. Their communities began to change when people from Europe came to America.